Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now we have another unboxing here and I hope you like it. It's another collectible I won an auction recently. So we'll see now what they are. This properly wrapped. I don't buy in or outside New Zealand. I just bought my collection here in New Zealand. It will probably cost me more buying in eBay outside New Zealand. So, and anyway, the collections that I had bought here in New Zealand are actually well worth it. Actually, you see, this is where I bought it from Colonial Collectibles, and as you can see, so if you're from New Zealand, you buy collectibles from them. Here we go, from Colonial Collectibles. They're awesome to buy collections, and you can see where you can buy. So yeah, like I said, I don't buy collectibles outside New Zealand. I just bought everything here in New Zealand, with which we have lots of varieties. We can choose from. There's a lot of sellers of these collectibles here. See here. So this is a lots of banknotes. But let's arrange the lighting. Okay, here you go. So this is I think around 20 banknotes, and yes, this one is from Hong Kong. This is an old one as well. You see the young portrait of Queen Elizabeth, and it's 1 cent. Uh, you can see that one, eh? And these old banknotes doesn't have anything on the reverse side, so it's empty. It's 1 cent from Hong Kong, and this one is a nice one, eh? It's an old one as well, I think. I'm not sure, but I think this is from Bulgaria. Oh yes, I think this is from Bulgaria. 25 leva. It's a nice one. It's very nice condition. It's not folded. It's like probably nearly uncirculated. And this is another one from Bulgaria. I think it's 10 leva. Yes, a Bulgarian one. See the and it's what is this 1944. So yeah, I think it's 1944. So the other one, is it 1944? Yes. I'm not sure if it's been made or minted 1944, but yeah, it's an old one. So probably they're using coins now. So this one is from Ecuador. It's uncirculated. This coin, this banknote. So five cinco sucres or five sucres in their currency. Oh wow, it is uncirculated. See, very mint. See, November 22. It's 1988. Very nice design. It's Paraguay, one or un guarani. Paraguay, one guarani, and very nice portraits. I don't see a date. Oh, I see the date here. What, 1952? I'm not sure about the date. All I see here is 1952. Yeah, I think it's 1952. It's an old one. It's uncirculated as well. So this one is the 100 dinara. And the way I see on the note here is it's from Republic of Bosnia Herzegovina. Nice, the crest. From Bosnia Herzegovina. I don't see any date though. Oh, this one. It's 1992. It's a nice one. Very simple design, but elegant. It's PG, $1. It's it's a little bit worn, but yeah, it is an old one. You see the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, and it's I think it's a young portrait. And I don't see any dates though. So I don't see any date, but it is a young portrait, so that'll be probably in the 60s maybe. Nice one from PG, $1. And this one, I think it's from Greece. I can see the letters. 100 drachmae. Yeah, I think it's from Greece. I don't see the. Yes, definitely Greece. So where's the date though? I don't see any date. Nice one. Very nice. This one is 10 cent, 10 pesos. Oh, it's an old one. $10. Wow, okay. So this is, I think it's a wartime currency of the Japanese in World War II. From one of the countries they invaded back then. It's $10. Wow, and it's mint as well. It's not although it have some blemishes. It doesn't have mold and it's still crispy actually. Wow. Okay, this one is only 1 peso. Oh, okay. $1 from it's occupation money, Japanese occupation money. It says Japanese government. It's $1. It's occupation money from World War II, 1940s. It's an old one, but it's still crispy, and I think it's uncirculated. Nice one. So this one, uh, 200 leva. It's from Bulgaria. It's from Bulgaria. See the date, 1951. It's an old one. Yes, very old. 1951. 200 leva from Bulgaria. Nicely designed. Nice design, eh? See. 1951. 73 years old now. 71 years old. And this one is Bank of Biafra, £1. Bank of Biafra. Republic of Biafra. I think it's like one of I'm not sure, but it's like one small country in Africa maybe. This is something new to me, and yes, first time I've seen this, and it's the first time I've heard about the Biafra as well. So I need to do a research on this one. It's £1, and I don't see any dates as well. So no dates. This one. This one is another one from Greece. 50 drachma. Here we go. Very nice portrait. It's mint as well. This is like a security detail. It's not a fold actually, and we can see here as well. You see it's like a one of the security details of this banknote. You can see it's like a hidden figure of the paper, and I still don't see a date. Very nice design. See, it's the galleon from Greece, 50 drachma, and this one, Brazil, Estados Unidos do Brasil, from Brazil. Wow, nice portrait as well. This 10, like a 10 peso, or yes, cruceros, so 10 cruceros. It also have a stamp here, stamp series. See this one, they also have a stamp, 1 centavo, it's like a counter mark. It's 10 cruceros. I don't see any date. But, it is an old one, and it is a mint one, eh? I don't see any. Probably folded. Was it folded? I don't know. Oh, it is folded, but looks crispy. See, that's the stamp. Nice one. This one, Mil Cruzados. So it's also from Brazil. 1,000. Yes, from Brazil, 1,000 Cruzados. I don't see any dates. Very hard to. Yes, I don't see any dates, but it's a nice looking banknote. Oh, it says 1905. Maybe this depicts. Yeah, it's from Rio de Janeiro, 1905. The way it looks, 1905. Very nice. This one is another mint banknote from Korea. 50 Jeon. Old as well, 1962. It's uncirculated. I can see it's very crispy, and it's a small one too. This one, Unkip, Bank National de Laos. It's from Laos. One kip or Unkip. Another uncirculated banknote. Very nice design from Laos. This one, 25. Very nice designs. This is from Indonesia. 25 cent. I don't see the year though. Oh yes, 1964. It's another old banknote, and it's mint. I don't see any fold. It has some blemishes, but see like blemishes in there and in here, but it's never been folded. And this one is 2 dB Latvian ruble. 2 dB Latvia's ruble, or Latvian ruble. See Latvia's banks. It's from Latvia, yes, Latvia bank. It's from 1992. Latvia. Very simple design, but it's colorful. Now this one, 1 pound, 1 pound. Uh, where's it from? Oh, okay. So British Armed Forces special voucher, used only as detailed on the reverse. Issued by command of the Army Council. Second series, 1 pound. See a double A, five below. Don't see any date. Maybe it's from the Second World War. I think it's an old one. What do you think? Might be a World War II banknote or special voucher. It's very mint, and I think it's uncirculated. And this one, last one. This is from Japan, and it's for 100 yen. I think it's on the from the early 50s. See, very nice portrait and stamp here. It's 100 yen. 100 yen, yes. Nippon Ginko. Nice one. It's not uncirculated, but it's in a good condition. See. So there you go. We have 20 banknote from different countries. Some double, like the ones in Bulgaria and from Greece. And yes, it's a very nice addition to the collection. I wanted what, $21, I think, plus a few dollars. I think $4.50 for shipping or something like that. Yeah, I think $4.50. So it is a win because most of it are uncirculated, and of course it's old ones, old banknotes that are like they're survivors actually, and you will see some of them like the one from Hong Kong and from the Japanese era, and this one is a, yeah, first time I've seen this one. It's a special voucher, 1 pound. So yeah, it's a nice addition to the collection, and I think it have value as well, more than I paid for. As I see some of them being sold like $5, $6, sometimes more than that. It depends on the condition, and it's just like one of it. So, and this is 20, so it's just like $1.05 each, which is a win. So I hope you like it. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and click on the notification bell to have notifications on my next videos that are gonna be uploaded. I do upload videos mostly, like if I can do it every day, I do it every day. But no, I sometimes like at least every other day. I have lots of coins and stamps, and like even like this, even banknotes to share, and a few other collectibles. So I hope you like the video, and yeah, thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day. See you next time. Bye.